Welcome, everyone. Today, we're bringing you a comprehensive guide to Lean Bliss, covering its benefits, the amazing bonuses included with your purchase, and the various purchasing options available. Remember, to ensure you get the genuine product, make sure to purchase from the official website linked in the description below. Stay with us until the end to hear all about the fantastic additional bonuses that come with this product. Lean Bliss is more than just a weight management supplement. It's a holistic approach to supporting healthy weight loss and maintaining steady blood sugar levels. The formula includes a blend of exotic herbs. Each ingredient has been carefully selected and dosed to ensure maximum effectiveness. Let's take a closer look at the key ingredients in Lean Bliss and understand how they contribute to its effectiveness. Ceylon cinnamon bark, known for its ability to regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Ceylon cinnamon is a healthier alternative to the common cassia cinnamon. Corosolic acid from banana leaf extract helps lower blood glucose levels and enhances glucose uptake in cells, making it a valuable component for managing diabetes and weight loss. Saffron bulb extract, famous for its appetite-suppressing properties. Saffron can help reduce snacking and emotional eating. Fuchsanthin, from Laminaria japonica, a potent antioxidant that supports fat burning and reduces fat accumulation. Fuchsanthin also has anti-inflammatory properties. Citrus sinensis, L. osbeck. This ingredient boosts metabolism and aids in fat breakdown. It's also rich in antioxidants. Fucodin, from Laminaria japonica, known for its immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory properties, fucodin also helps in fat reduction. Kudzu flower extract helps control blood sugar levels and supports liver health. Oleuropein, from olive leaf extract, an antioxidant that promotes heart health and supports weight loss. Berberine enhances metabolic function and supports weight loss by activating the enzyme AMPK. Xylitol, a natural sweetener that doesn't spike blood sugar levels, making it a great addition for those monitoring their glucose levels. Lean Bliss is designed to first support healthy blood sugar levels, reprogram the brain to stop generating cravings, and then focus on shedding stored fat cells. This comprehensive approach makes it a standout product in the weight management market. It was created by a doctor who understood that fluctuating blood sugar levels often precede weight gain. The supplement works by first supporting healthy blood sugar levels, reprogramming the brain to stop generating cravings, and instructing the body to stop storing excess fat. It then focuses on shedding stored fat cells and resetting the function of the pancreas. And the best part? It's packaged in a delicious chocolatey form, making the process not just effective but also enjoyable. It has garnered positive reviews from thousands of users. Here are some benefits reported by customers. Reduced cravings and improved control over snacking habits. Steady energy levels throughout the day without the crashes associated with unstable blood sugar. Noticeable weight loss within weeks of regular use. And reduced stress levels, thanks to ingredients like saffron bulb extract. Customers have shared their success stories, highlighting how Lean Bliss has transformed their health journey. With over 11,369 reviews and a high satisfaction rate, it's clear that Lean Bliss is making a significant impact. Every order comes with free shipping, and Lean Bliss is covered by an ironclad 180-day money-back guarantee. This means you can try Lean Bliss risk-free and see the results for yourself. Let's also talk about the incredible bonuses you get with your Lean Bliss purchase. When you order either 3 or 6 bottles, you receive 2 free bonus guides. The first bonus is Superhuman Gut, perfect digestion while you eat whatever you want. This guide is packed with tips and tricks to enhance your digestion, including a relaxing ear massage that boosts digestion by 63%, an ancient spice that eliminates bloating in seconds, and more. The second bonus is the at-home body lift protocol used by top cosmetic surgeons. This guide offers a special face yoga exercise that tightens skin in seconds, tips on how adding certain pink flower petals to your bath can get rid of stretch marks and cellulite, and a simple ancient Mediterranean olive oil ritual that helps reduce wrinkles. These guides provide additional value and complement your Lean Bliss journey perfectly. Thank you for watching our comprehensive guide to Lean Bliss. Don't forget to purchase Lean Bliss from the official website linked in the description and enjoy the fantastic bonuses that come with it. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.